About Captain Vikram Batra, sir. What exactly happened, sir?
You were looking at 4875?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so after this operation, we captured 5140, and that is where Vikram Batra gave the success signal. Ye Dil Mange More.
Dil Mange More,
when
yes,
he captured his portion of 5140, and that was again a second big success. Difficult objective because it was very very high, overlooking the hump, Rocky Knob, overlooking Tololing, overlooking Dras, and about 30-40 kilometers of national highway. And 5140 was the place from where they fired, a Stinger missile and shot down one of our Air Force helicopters.
Sure.
In Tololing. The second task that was given to us was the capture of point 4875 as part of 79 Brigade, and we were tasked to capture the top. And 17 Jackery was given an objective to the left, area called Whaleback and Pimple, part of 4875. And in phase 2, Naga was to go and capture area called Twin Bombs, which was between 4875 and Tiger Hill.
Sure.
We launched the attack on the 4th. Now here, the gradient was very, very steep, much steeper than the early attacks that we had done.
Sure.
The movement was slow. We got daylighted. And when we got daylighted, Charlie Company and Alpha Company, Major Gurpreet and Major Bhaskar, they were in close proximity. And now, the enemy was inflicting heavy casualties onto our troops because it was day and he was sitting on top. So Gurpreet spoke to me. This is that bunker which we talked about earlier during our reconnaissance. और यहाँ से दुश्मन का accurate fire आ रहा है, कुछ करो. So I was in the fire base. तो मैंने देखा, then I realized I can't get artillery fire. Troops are very close. We will inflict
yes, sir.
friendly fire.
Own casualties, sir.
Own casualties will be there.
Yes, sir.
Then I saw a faggot launcher lying there, and I have been an instructor in faggot in the anti-tank group as a captain.
Sir.
So, and I knew exactly the place where Gurpreet was talking about.
Yes, sir.
तो मैं एकदम से वहीं पे, it was an impulsive thing, मैं लेट गया लॉन्चर के पीछे, मैंने कौशल था. नंबर 2, मैंने बोला लोड करो faggot. And I had no hope in hell कि ये जाके लगेगा, because we had tried Milan earlier in Tololing, which had not worked. And यहाँ पर the gradient was like this.
Sir.
So, but I said we had to try something. Again, innovation, thinking on the feet. And I aimed and I fired. And the missile went and hit exactly on the bunker at a steep gradient.
Sir.
Very surprising.
Sir.
And then we got a feedback from 17 Jat, which was on the flank. They could see from there that Pakistanis are running. मैंने एक और मिसाइल लगाया, फायर किया, सेम अगेन वेंट हिट सेम स्पॉट. वी गॉट अगेन द सेम फीडबैक. आई टोल्ड गुरप्रीत कि द एनिमी इज इंजर्ड, देयर हैज बीन अ लॉट ऑफ फ्लरी देयर, मूवमेंट बिहाइंड, रनिंग अवे. मैं दिस इज द टाइम, दिस वाज डे टाइम on the 5th of July. 4th we launched the attack.
Sure.
And that is the time Gurpreet told the leading platoon, Subhadar Ramesh, and the leading section was, in which Sanjay and one rifleman Natinder were there, and they are the ones who launched the attack. And Sanjay got shot up in the bargain.
Sure.
In his arm and his thigh, but he pulled out the machine gun of the enemy, and he, using that, fired into the other Sangar which was there, killing a couple of Pakistani soldiers. And this action earned him his Paramveer Chakra. So on the 5th
when I
of
asked
July,
him about the action, sir, he was almost shy, sir. He doesn't.
Yes.
It's like nahi aise.
yeah. So Dogra troops are very shy.
Yes, sir. मैंने बोला साहब आपने परमवीर चक्र मतलब. You see, to shake hands with the PVC itself is such a huge honor, sir. And he's saying, nahi sahab. And you know what he told me? मैंने बोला संजय साहब कैसे? Sir, he said कि नहीं साहब, मेरी जगह कोई और फौजी होता तो यही काम करता.
Correct.
And I said, well, this is humility for you, sir.
Absolutely.
Sir.
Absolutely. So when we reached the top,
जी.
during the day on the 5th of July, Charlie और Alpha Company सब ऊपर पहुंच गए.
Sir.
And we thought कि we had captured 4875. But when we reached the top, we realized that 4875 से एक बहुत ही narrow ledge, was going a little away, about 40-50 meters. And there, there was a mouth of that ledge, 2 boulders, उसके बीच में वो MMG लगा के और स्नाइपर लगा के पाकिस्तानी बैठा हुआ था. And this ledge, there was no way we could circumvent it. But it was very close. But you do any movement, he would open fire. So we were stuck there, 5th and 6th, 2 days. और इतनी प्रॉक्सिमिटी में कि हम एक दूसरे से बात कर पा रहे थे, गालियाँ दे पा रहे थे एक दूसरे को. और यहाँ पर आपने LOC मूवी वो देखी होगी, कारगिल, LOC कारगिल, उसमें विच इज़ अ फैक्ट एक्चुअली, ही सेड के साथ ही हमको माधुरी दीक्षित दे दो, हम वापस चले जाएंगे. एंड ऑफ कोर्स ही गॉट लॉट ऑफ अब्यूजेस देयर. एंड गौरव, आई टेल यू, देयर वर सिचुएशंस बिकॉज वी वर सो क्लोज that the Pakistanis would throw grenades. Our boys, would pick up those grenades or catch those grenades and throw them back. Because there's a 4-second fuse.
Yes, sir.
So we were so close that, within 2 seconds the grenade would be with us, and we should lob it back so that it should, explode finally in their hands or close to the Pakistanis. But that requires courage. That requires, गुर्दा, उसके लिए दिल चाहिए करने के लिए.
बहुत ज़्यादा.
और पाकिस्तानीज़ को क्या करना चाहिए था कि they should have actually let the lever go.
Yes, and waited.
Count 2.
अच्छा, सिखलाई भी वही है ना सर?
हाँ.
1001, 1002, something like that.
And
sir.
then throw.
हाँ सर.
पर उसके लिए भी गुर्दा चाहिए.
उसके
कि
लिए
पहले
भी-
ना फट जाए. But they were just throwing. So these are the kind of
निकाल के
troops.
फेंका सर.
Correct. So these are the kind of troops we have.
Sir.
But what happened on the 7th of July early morning, नवीन who was जो सबसे नज़दीक था उस लेज के,
Sir.
तो पाकिस्तानियों ने एक RPG फायर किया, वो उसके नज़दीक फटा and he got very badly injured. And Vikram Batra, led up, took a patrol along with Subedar Raghunath and उसको evacuate किया वहाँ से.
Sir.
And as I can now visualize, in hindsight, कि Vikram Batra, when he reached there and he evacuated Naveen, so he would have thought, the battalion is stuck here for 2 days, we are not making any progress. And on an impulse, he had his weapon, obviously,
Sir.
he just assaulted. He just assaulted across the ledge, firing his AK, killing the Pakistani, because they were also, taken by surprise all of a sudden. He killed them, they also fired, and he got a bullet here. And he laid down his life, on that ledge. And, but he gave us a foothold,
Sir.
to launch an assault. And the Delta and Charlie company, which was there in close proximity, the moment people came to know that Vikram Batra has been shot, there was no controlling them actually. Immediately they consolidated and we launched the attack across. And on the 7th of morning, in broad daylight, we captured the ledge, we captured the entire point
There was a great deal of
4875.
anger also, sir, at that point in time.
Too much of anger. Obviously, the troops were, you couldn't control the troops actually.
Sir.
And, the Pakistanis were so surprised right across that there was a guy who was making chai and halwa on a stove early morning. And that's how he was shot, and the balance, some got killed and some ran away on the other side.